Imagine this. You're cold, it's getting dark, your phone has no signal, your backpack is full of expensive survival gear and none of it is working. The fire starter won't spark, the military-grade flashlight is dead, the water tablets taste like chemicals, and you're still not sure the water's safe. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Most survival gear is useless when you actually need it, and today we're putting that to the test. I'm going to break down what survival gear genuinely works and what's just clever marketing, because the survival gear industry is massive and growing fast. Every year, there's a new must-have gadget that promises to keep you alive in any situation. But when things go wrong, hype doesn't save you. The right tools do. And even more importantly, the right mindset. Here's the challenge. Walk into any outdoor store or scroll online and you'll see walls of shiny, tactical, overbuilt gear. Solar-powered this, titanium-plated that, used by elite forces, tested in extreme conditions. It all looks impressive, but survival isn't about looking prepared, it's about being prepared. And the danger isn't just wasted money, it's false confidence. When you believe a gadget will save you, you take bigger risks, you push farther, you stay out longer. You ignore warning signs. Then something small fails, and suddenly it's not a camping trip anymore. It's a survival situation. History is full of stories where people had gear, but not the right gear. Or worse, they had tools they didn't know how to use. So let's separate the gimmicks from the life-saving essentials. First up, water purification tablets. They're lightweight, cheap, popular, and yes, they can work. But here's what most people don't realize. They take time. Some require 30 minutes, others up to 4 hours for certain parasites. Cold water slows them down. Dirty water reduces effectiveness. And if you're severely dehydrated, waiting isn't just uncomfortable, it's dangerous. Next, electronic fire starters. They look futuristic. Push a button, instant flame. Until the batteries die, or moisture gets in, or the temperature drops below freezing. In survival, complexity is weakness. And then there's the infamous 50 tools in one survival card. A wrench, a saw, a blade, a bottle opener. In theory, it does everything. In reality, it does nothing well. Now, let's talk about what works. Tool number 1, a fixed blade knife. Not flashy, not high-tech, but a solid, full-tang knife can build shelter, process firewood, prepare food, cut cordage, and even be used for self-defense in emergencies. It doesn't need batteries, it doesn't rely on apps, it just works. Tool number 2, a reliable water filter. Not tablets, an actual physical filter, something that removes bacteria and protozoa instantly. Pump it, sip through it, drink safely within minutes. Hydration buys you time. Time keeps you alive. Tool number 3, a ferro rod. No fuel, no battery, just sparks, thousands of them. Wet, it still works. Cold, still works. Master it once and you can start a fire almost anywhere with proper tinder. Tool number 4, a simple tarp or emergency bivvy. Exposure kills faster than hunger. A lightweight tarp can become a windbreak, rain shelter, ground barrier, or heat reflector. It weighs almost nothing, but it can mean the difference between shivering all night and actually sleeping. Tool number 5, a headlamp with spare batteries, because survival doesn't stop when the sun goes down. Hands-free light means you can build, treat injuries, signal, and navigate safely in darkness. Simple, reliable, practical. Notice a pattern? None of these are flashy. All of them solve real problems. But here's the twist. There's one tool more important than all 5 combined, and you can't buy it. Adaptability. The ability to stay calm when plans fall apart, to reassess when your route is blocked, to conserve energy instead of panicking, to recognize when to stay put and when to move. Survival experts say most people don't die because they lack equipment. They die because they make one bad decision after another under stress. Panic narrows your thinking. Calm expands it. The wilderness doesn't care how much your backpack cost. It responds to skill, awareness, patience. You can have the best knife in the world, but if you don't know how to build a shelter, you'll still freeze. You can carry 3 ways to purify water, but if you don't recognize dehydration early, you're already behind. Gear supports you. Mindset saves you. So, here's the takeaway. Survival isn't about owning more, it's about carrying less, but carrying smarter. Choose tools that are simple, durable, proven, and invest even more in learning how to use them, because when things go wrong, simplicity wins. Now I'm curious, what's the one piece of survival gear you never leave behind? Or what's a tool that completely failed you when it mattered most? Drop it in the comments. Let's learn from each other. And if you want more practical, no-hype survival breakdowns like this, hit subscribe, because the goal isn't to look prepared, it's to come home alive.